Yo, what's up guys? Hey, welcome back to the channel. Yo man, if you're new to my channel or you've been here before and you haven't done it already, what are you waiting for, guys? I really need your support. Consider subscribing, like, share. There's a lot of people like as yourselves that are looking for the information that I give, whether it's radiology videos, whether it's motivational videos, whether it's barber videos. There's a lot of people that just don't know, and that's why I made my channel, because I want to give you the true insight on what it is to become an RT, become a nurse, become a CT tech, become an MRI tech, become a barber, so I'm here to help you guys, so I need your help too. Again, subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. I truly appreciate you guys. So, as you know, I just passed my barber state exam. I just finished school. To me, it's such a big accomplishment because of the fact that I'm a full-time, dad, full-time husband, full-time RT. I was in a full-time barber program. So it was tough. It was tough to get through that, but I'm proud of myself for going through it because it was hard. It was hard, and you have to sacrifice to get to where you want to be in life, So super proud of myself, but at the same time, I want you guys to understand that if you want to do something out there, you can. You put your mind to it, you set everything right, you set everything the proper way, everything will fall in place, man. So trust me, it can happen. So this video is about what do you need to start, as a barber, so I don't know, I ain't gonna sugarcoat anything, as you know. I don't know how to cut, I'm not perfect at it, but I had the privilege and I had the blessing enough to start at a barbershop coming up this week with one of my, friends. I asked for his blessing, I asked for his mentorship, and he gladly accepted, which I'm grateful for. So I need your prayers out there, guys, that I get clients in there so I can, start cutting up, start making it look good out there. But I wanted to share with you what I bought, and what you would need, to start, your barbering journey after you're done with barber school. Now, like I said, I'm new to the game, so there might be things that I missed. There might be things that I overbought, I don't know. But y'all let me know in the comments what I missed. Did I over purchase something, or did I buy something that I was supposed to? But anyway, guys, we're gonna get started. So to get started, I bought this. So this is basically barber side. So this is basically, you keep your instruments, your scissors, all that. Not your scissors, your shears. You can't say scissors, they're called shears. You gotta keep them sanitized, clean, especially if they fall on the floor, you gotta wipe them down, then put it in the barber side. And remember, it's not about you when you become a barber, it's about the public. You have to keep the public safe, the public healthy. So, inspections, man, they're really big on that. It's about public safety. The next thing, of course, I had to buy was the jar, You had to buy the jar because you had to put the barber sign in something, right? So this is the jar that I chose. I think it's nice. It's something that, you put your scissors in there when you need it, take it out, do your thing, wipe it down and put it back in there. So I had to get one of these. The next thing I got was shaving gel. So this is the one I chose. Again, I'm gonna have to start learning how to do, beards and all that. So I wanted a gel because I'm not too good with the foam stuff, because I feel like if I put the foam and I can't see what I'm doing, I'm gonna just jack you up, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want to do that to anybody. So I feel like the gel would probably be my best friend, because you can just only use what you're gonna shave and cut, and then go on there from the razor. So that's why I chose a gel. There's so many products you can choose from. So definitely pick this. It's called Cool Care. So it's from Andy's. This is basically for the clippers and the trimmers. You open it up. Man, first time opening it. Open it up, spray it, clean your stuff, Like I said, again, 100%, it's all about public safety. It's all about your clients, the inspection, the state. They want to make sure that you keeping your stuff clean and keeping the people outside of your shop clean. They're going to come in, hopefully germ-free as far as this stuff, and it's going to help you keep it that way. So another thing I purchased was just something simple, just a comb, because you do have to do clipper over comb. You have to learn how to cut like that. And I just thought this comb was just some basic, nothing crazy that you need. Another thing is I got this cool spray bottle. You know, this one I'm gonna use water. You know, sometimes you need to use your shears. You know, wet the hair a little bit. So I thought it was a nice looking one. So this is the one I got for the spraying water. And I got a couple of clips. So just in case I got somebody with long hair, you know, I can, you know, put the hair back to the side or whatever, and, you know, do my thing with the clipper, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know if I like the color, but it's all they had at the moment. I would prefer black, but it is what it is at the moment. I probably won't even use them at the beginning, to be honest. So I got a little bit of styling products. So I went with this shaving cream too. When I was there, I got to meet a barber, and he was just kind of starting off too, but he knew way more than me. He was already in a barbershop. He said his uncle owned a barbershop, so he knew a little bit more about stuff. So I picked his brain. I was like, hey man, what do you use for this, that, you know, do you mind helping me? And also the store clerk was the store owner. He was also super helpful, super cool, man. So I got blessed to be in that store today. And he's like, this will be a good product to, you know, shave the whole beard. You know, basically it kind of like, it relaxes the hair. So whenever you're about to shave it, it's easier for you, and, you know, you're not struggling with it. So supposedly it's a good product. So I trust him. I trust his expertise. So we're gonna work with it. Another one this one I seen in school. It's called Suavecito. And the reason I'll be honest with you, the reason I like it is because the smell, man, it smells so good. I don't know, man, it just makes you feel like you just got out of a barbershop, you know, and this is how it looks. It's clear inside. And I like it. I think it's good. We used it a few times in school. They had like a little jar there. And it don't keep your hair too hard. It keeps it like kind of moist. That way it can kind of like, your hair doesn't feel like it's hard. You know what I mean? So I like it. So that's why I grabbed it. So we also got like a little brush. So something simple, nothing crazy. Just whenever you're fading, you know, you bring the hair down. Because sometimes the hair can trick you. So you're fading a little bit, you know, brush it down, and then, you know, glance at it, cut a little bit more. So you have to have a little brush. What else we got? Oh, so we got some aftershave / alcohol. So this is the one I chose. This was actually recommended by the store owner. He's like, this is his favorite, and it smells amazing, man. So I had to get it. This is you put this after, you know, you fade somebody up with the 0 on the back. You know, you get the alcohol pad, you wipe it down, you know, and all that, and it smells good and makes you feel good. So this is it right here. I had to get this. So this is a blade. So it's called a milli blade. You have to get a milli blade because that's what you're going to use for your shaving. You have to. And the one they gave us at school was called a butterfly. So it was super hard to put it in. You had to like do like some nunchucks things and then put it in, and then like it was just too much hassle for me, especially me being new. So I told him, hey, what's the easiest one you got? That way I can change it fast. And then, you know, I don't want to cut myself. I don't want to cut nobody, you know. So he recommended this one. And again, it's this one right here. I think I'm gonna like it because it's super easy, because you just, you know, get the blade, you squeeze the tip of this thing, I think right here, you squeeze the tip and you put it in there, and that's it, and you're all done. You know, super simple, and that's what I need. I need simple right now. I need simplicity. I got some couple of shears. So I got the 6-inch shears to, you know, cut hair and all that. He recommended this one for starters, and I actually got to try it on, and it was actually really good because it didn't slip off my thumb. The ones they gave us at school, like my thumb was all in the little thing, and then to take it out, it was annoying. So this one was really good because it stood there, and I feel like I can cut better. So I'm excited to use these. So those are the shears I chose. I also got some trimming shears. You need the trimming shears to blend the hair together. So this is the one I got, 6.5 trimming shears, and I'm excited, you know, I'm excited to learn in general, but this is the thinnest shears that I chose. I got this because they use this on me, you know what I'm saying, when I get a haircut. And I think it smells super, super nice. It makes you feel good, makes you feel clean. You got a clean haircut, now you smell good, you're looking good, you know what I'm saying? That's no better feeling. So we got this one, Clubman Finest Powder, and that's what it's called. So we jumped on this one, you know what I mean? I got this big old thing of neck strips. So basically the neck strips you need to, you know, before you put the cape on, you put the neck strip on, put the cape on, that way no hair will go down the neck. So I bought a whole box of them. These, and my clientele right now, this will last me a whole 3 years. You know what I'm saying? But that's not the goal. I'm just saying, I bought a big ass box. For me personally, I work in the medical field, man, so I'm super conscious about, you know, diseases and touching people and, you know, touching blood or touching any kind of scalp. So I plan on wearing gloves. So these are the ones I got. They said that the level 3 is the one that people usually go to. I got a large because I wear a large at work. So I'm hoping that they fit. As you can tell, they're brand new and I haven't even tried them. They don't have trial pairs there so you can wear them and see how they feel. So me, man, being medical conscience in the medical field, I want to wear gloves. I have to wear gloves. I feel like if I don't wear gloves, I'm doing the public an injustice, because I feel like I'm, you know, even though you do wash your hands and stuff, but it's just medically thinking, right? That's just me. So I had to get some gloves. Okay, so now down to the good things, you know, my trimmer and my clipper. So I went with the new, he was telling me there's a new thing in town, the new thing that's on the blog that are very rare, and you know, they were pretty expensive. So let me do this one first. So there you go. This is the clippers, I believe. I think this is the clippers. Yeah, they look super nice. This is how it comes set in the box. So basically, this is the clipper, and you can switch faces. So you can switch faces to it, and I'll give you a closer look. So that's super cool, because that reminds me, I'm an OG, right? So that reminds me when I had a Nokia phone back in the day, you could change your face. But I don't want black, I'm gonna change the face. I'm gonna get a Nokia phone, get this color. It's so cool, you know, I didn't even know they made things like that anymore. So it's so cool to be able to change the face and stuff. So this right here, was that the trimmer? I don't know, man, they look the same. So this is either the clipper or the trimmer. I'm still learning as well. So same concept, same thing, you know, you can switch it and all that good stuff. They look exactly the same, don't they? Oh, okay. So it's my bad. You see, I'm still learning. So this one tells you trimmer. So this is a trimmer. And this one tells you clipper. I'll tell you clipper right there. So that's what I got. I'm super excited for my things that I bought, like new toys to me. I'm excited for this profession. I'm excited to learn. To me, it's super fun. Something totally different from the medical field, so I'm excited. I hope this helps some of you guys out there thinking about going to barber school and not knowing what to buy at first. So I hope this helped, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. Stay tuned for more. Yeah, I already know.